everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. I hope you all are doing absolutely amazing. So in today's video I'm going to share with you my first ever Meesho haul. So I bought some earrings from Meesho for the very first time, and it was a mixed kind of shopping experience which I would be sharing in the video. So stay tuned till the last, and I would be sharing some important information also in this video regarding Meesho. So yes, I bought I think 4 to 5 pair of earrings which are not everyday wear earrings, but something that you can carry on your occasions, or you can pair them with your ethnic wear, because I particularly wanted to buy something heavy duty or something elegant or something designer, I would say. So yes, I have bought such earrings, and let's get started with the haul. So one thing more I would like to tell you, that Meesho doesn't have links like other websites. It has product codes which I will provide you on the screen or in the description box. You can check them out for the these earrings that I would be sharing in the video. And also one product is available with different sellers also at different prices. You just have to check the app accordingly. It's not like only one seller would be selling the same product. There are chances that same product would be available at different prices with different sellers, so you can check the app properly for a better experience. So the first pair of earrings that I got from Meesho are these that came in this plastic box, which is great. So this is how they look like. These are stunning, I would say. I just love the quality, and they look very pretty on the face as well. So I will show you after wearing them as well. They can go with a lot of dresses, and the quality is very nice, and they look heavy but they are very lightweight, so that is the best part. So I would highly recommend these, and these are available in different shades also: red, green, blue, white, pink. A lot of shade options are there, so you can check them out, and they are very affordable as well. I think this retails for 191 when I bought them. So yes, this is the first piece that I got. So the second pair of earrings that I got are these earrings that look like so stunning. These are in elephant shape, as you can see, and they are very pretty. And again, these are available in many color options. This is how they came in the packaging. No outer box was provided. That was little disappointing because these are not very cheap, and I really like the detailing, the elephant detailing. And again, I think this was available in green, red, pink, peach and blue as well. Again, you can check them out. The stone is really nice. The work, the detailing is very nicely done. So again, these are very lightweight. They are not at all heavy on the ears, so you can purchase them. So the third pair of earrings are one of my absolute favorite, that had a lot of options, and these are a very heavy duty earrings, party wear earrings, you can say. I absolutely love the design, the detailing of these one. They are gray in shade, and they are very lightweight. They look stunning, and you can see the work, so pretty. You can get them in a lot of shade. So when I first ordered them and I received them, it took I think almost 5-6 days or 7 days that I received them, and they came without any box, and they came in a cardboard packaging, which was not very nice, I would say. But the quality of these earrings is mind-blowing. I would highly recommend them. They are very beautiful, and they don't feel heavy at all. They are very comfortable on the ears. And yes, you can definitely go ahead and purchase them. They are available in many colors. So first time I received them, the thing was the back pin of the earring was totally tilted, so I exchanged it. Like, I asked for the exchange. There is an option on the app, either you can refund or you can exchange the product. So I exchanged them. You have to send a picture to them of the condition of the earrings, and then they approve your refund or exchange. So the next time I received it, I'm very glad that it came in a proper shape and everything. So I really love these tiny detailings of these white beads and these jhumkas and everything. This is very pretty. I would highly recommend them. So here comes again one of my most favorite earrings from the collection that I bought. So these are the earrings that I got, and they came in this plastic box. And look at the detailing. The vibe of this earring is stunning. I just love it. I'm so happy to have this. This was I think the first or the second purchase that I made from Meesho, and I really love the quality, although they are very heavy when you wear them. But I didn't feel like exchanging them or returning them, because the quality, the design, the feel of this earring is absolutely stunning. So yes, I would highly recommend them. These are heavy, so you definitely feel heavy, and they also come till here, so you feel heavy when you wear them. I am a person who doesn't wear a lot of heavy earrings. I just cannot wear them, so I can maximum wear them for 3 to 4 hours, that's it. But still I find it very, very stunning, very beautiful, so I had to buy them. Okay, so the last pair of earrings are the ones that I am wearing today in the video. As you can see, I'll just show you. So these are Meenakari earrings, and just look at the detailing. It is so beautiful. When I looked at them, I was so happy to receive them. It is a moor, it is a peacock that is designed on the earring, and it has these beads over here which look absolutely stunning, and it is in the shade purple and orange. And these were available in different shades, like I think 4 shades were available in this. I bought 2 pairs of this particular shade only, and I absolutely love them. I'm so happy to have them in my collection. These are finest Meenakari earrings I've ever seen. Like seriously, some of the earrings are my absolute favorite. Almost each piece is my favorite, but this is something I love. So one thing I would like to tell you before ending the video, that if you are purchasing for the very first time from the Meesho app, you get 100 rupees off on your first purchase. So what you can do is, you can just prepare your cart, or you can just add items into your wish list, and you can place your order. Okay, now before ending the video, I would like to share my personal experience shopping from Meesho. It was okay, it was not that great. There are a few reasons behind that. One of the reason is that the products don't have the links, so you have to enter the code and then you have to search for the particular product. That is a very time consuming process, because if we have direct links, then it becomes very, very easy to access the app. Second thing is that when you have a lot of options in particular product, like one of the earring that I ordered came in a different shade to me. Like I ordered a black shade, but it came in a gray shade, so, and it came after 5 days of waiting, so I didn't had the mood to exchange it, so I went ahead with the refund. So yes, when you are ordering something, you expect your product to come in a particular state, like what you have ordered, right? So it makes you little dissatisfied. At least I was dissatisfied with that thing. So yes, although they have that 7 days policy in which you can return or exchange the product, and they will ask you for the pic of the product that you have received, but I feel if we are placing an order, we should get the right product delivered, because you are taking 4 to 5 days of time for delivery as well. So it takes a lot of process, like it consumes a lot of time if you go for the exchange again and all of that. So yes, and they are giving a lot of options. There are a lot of things that are available on Meesho, like everything is there. I think I have not purchased many things. This was my first time that I purchased things from Meesho, and I'm quite happy with the products that I have, because I purchased them after a lot of research, because I'm not someone who just goes and buys immediately, even especially when I'm exploring a website for a very first time. So yes, I really hope you enjoyed today's haul, Meesho haul, and do let me know in the comment section which was your favorite piece of earring. So yeah, and if you're watching me for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the red subscribe button below and the notification bell, so that whenever I update a new video, you are notified instantly. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.